Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting files and the USB ready. This saves time. Copy the PTH theme file or extracted theme folder into the exact path on a FAT32 USB. Ps3 expects /ps3/theme/ or /theme/. Once done, safely eject the drive, then power off the PS3 and boot into the normal XMB. Make sure you have enough storage space and a backup of your original theme. This step avoids file not found errors and keeps the console stable when you apply a new theme. You insert the USB into the PS3 and go straight to Settings, then Theme Settings. Once there, choose Theme, then Install. The PS3 scans the USB path for PTH files. Select your theme and press X to install, confirm when prompted. After installation, apply the theme from the same menu. You should see background, icons, and menu sounds update. If elements misalign, go into individual settings to tweak icon positions or disable custom sounds. This helps preserve readability and performance. You finish by verifying everything works. Test navigation and media playback under the new theme. If you encounter graphical glitches or missing assets, restart the PS3 and reapply the theme. Many issues clear after a reboot. If installation repeatedly fails, reformat the USB to FAT32, recopy the theme into the correct folder, then try again. Also check file names and extensions. Keep your original theme backed up so you can restore it quickly if the custom theme causes instability or interface problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.